In Southern California, more than 8,000 acres were burned and 90,000 people were evacuated from their homes as a result of wildfire. Imagine that you have to leave your home without notice to a place that you are not used to. And you always have to do this as a result of a natural occurrence or a disaster that you cannot control. I guess by the end of the day, you won't have a place to call a home. Wildfire is an uncontrolled fire that burns in wildlife vegetation. It leads to loss of lives, loss of biodiversity, degradation of vegetation, and environmental pollution. In 2020, there were 57,000 wildfire outbreaks, compared to 2019, where there were 50,477 wildfire outbreaks. 10.3 million acres were lost in 2020 compared to 4.7 million acres that were lost in 2019 as a result of wildfire. With these facts and figures, it shows that wildfire outbreaks is increasing in our world. And this has negative impact on our wildlife populations. This has forced the wildlife population in the wild to leave their spacious habitat, to live in several habitat patches and in small populations. Habitat loss and habitat fragmentation caused by wildfire not only reduces population abundance, but also reduces genetic diversity as a result of inbreeding depression and genetic drift. It also disrupts mating patterns and migration patterns. All of this only leads and increases the risks of population extinction in the wild. Not only that, it reduces individual survival rates and also decreases disease resistance and resistance to environmental change. How can we help our wildlife populations? What is the solution? I present to you captive breeding. Captive breeding is breeding of animals outside of their environment. If we cannot control wildfire, we can control the population abundance of our wildlife by captive breeding. Thank you.